Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, organization for the flower shop. Grasses can get tangled and mussed. Organizing them by using the sleeves that come with chrysanthemums, dianthus. We always get these and we go, oh, what do we do with them? Save them. Well, this is what you do with them. I roll them in half, make it a little smaller. Then taking your grasses, bear grass, lily grass, middleino, anything linear, just slide it down in and then pull it up over. And it gives you a nice loose organization so that when they're in the flower shop, in the cooler, you can go and just grab without tangling very, very easily. So now you know what to do with those sleeves. You've got them in the drawer. Grab them out, grab your grasses, and organize.